Unlock peak German Shepherd vitality with simple, human-grade meals they'll absolutely devour. Step 1. Gather your wholesome ingredients for your German Shepherd. Think lean protein. For example, ground turkey or chicken. Rich in essential amino acids, add brightly colored vegetables like carrots, green beans, and sweet potato. Packed with vitamins and fiber, a sprinkle of flaxseed provides beneficial omega-3 fatty acids crucial for their coat and joints. Step 2. Portion control is key. German Shepherds are a larger breed and have specific caloric needs to maintain a healthy weight. Consult your veterinarian for precise portioning based on your dog's age, activity level, and individual metabolism. Proportioning ensures consistency and simplifies meal prep. Step 3. Gentle cooking is paramount. While some ingredients can be served raw, it's often best to lightly cook proteins and vegetables to enhance digestibility and reduce the risk of foodborne illness. A quick saute copyright or steam is perfect, preserving maximum nutrient content without overcooking. Step 4. Combine and cool. Once your ingredients are cooked and cooled down to a safe temperature, gently mix them together in a bowl. You can add a small amount of low-sodium, dog-safe broth for added moisture and flavor. Avoid any seasonings, onions, garlic, or artificial additives. Step 5. Serve and watch them thrive. This tailored diet supports your German Shepherd's robust health, from their strong bones and muscles to their shiny coat and boundless energy, turning mealtime into a celebration of well-being.